this nigga crying though.
I'm not crying. Oh, bitches, bro. This is everywhere, bro.
Yeah.
I'm about to go jab at that bitch.
You ain't gonna yell.
Are you filming me or are you filming? What are you filming?
You said, hey, film me. The fuck?
Oh, shit. Hey, I'm about to go jab. Film her, nigga.
You film me.
Film her.
You film me.
I'll film the fuck out of her. Am I filming? I don't even know if I'm getting her, bro, but I'm about to go fuck that. There's some more.
Hey, we gotta catch a trolley.
For what, nigga? Hey, here. I don't like having the camera still on, bro.
Lil Bow Wow, what the fuck was the thing?
Why you saying that, bro?
You know damn well you ain't gonna go to no Bankhead. Oh yeah, I got the True Religion.
Hey, don't do that, man. Hey, you always like look at the camera. The camera's not even. You don't even know what the camera's looking at, bro. I think
This nigga doesn't know how to record, bro. You gotta leave the camera stable as fuck, bro.
oh, this nigga.
Look, bro.
Yeah, see, bro, I'm getting all the fucking tight film, bro. I know how to film, bro. I'm fucking hot.
Hey, I thought we was gonna go somewhere, bro.
We do, bro. I gotta go to school, bro.
You gotta go to school?
I gotta go take a fucking test.
How long does it take?
Like 2 hours.
Here, I'm out.
Where you going?
To school?
Yeah, hit that up. That's what I'm saying. This nigga's about to skip, bro. You don't do that shit. I'm about to go meet up with some homies right now. I'm about